From simple lever systems in ancient quarries to today's autonomous excavators, construction machinery grew with every expanding city. Victorian steam cranes in Britain lifted ironwork, while American engineers pioneered steel girder bridges that reshaped entire skylines. Post-war Japan popularized compact, hydraulically precise machines that threaded through dense urban cores and spurred cleaner, smarter controls. Brazil's offshore oil boom and China's unrelenting highway expansion demonstrated specialized rigs and mass production cutting project times. Across continents, these machines symbolize cultural shifts, advancing safety, labor practices, and engineering pride as the industry moves forward.